How to change username on Shopee. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username on Shopee. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser on your device and then you have to search for shopee.com and you have to search for this exact website. And then here you'll be asked for the language, so select whatever language you want and then here tap on OK. And then here once you're on your website you have to tap on your profile here in the top right side, and then here enter your phone number, email or username and password and tap on login. If you want to log in through Facebook, tap here. If you want to log in through Google, tap here. So let me quickly log in. So now after you have logged in, you have to again tap on your profile here in the top right side. Now you have to turn on desktop mode. So if you are on Chrome, you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner here, and then select desktop site. And now here zoom in and tap on this settings gear in the top right side here, then tap on help center, and now once you're on your help center tap on back and you will be taken to this page, your profile. Now here you can see your username, so tap here and delete your old username and enter your new username that you want, and then after entering, to save it tap here to save, and then here it says are you sure, so you have to tap on OK. And remember that here it says username can be only be changed once, so if you change your username you won't be able to change again. So to change it tap on OK, and here it says profile updated and the username is changed. And so this is how you can change username on Shopee. Thanks for watching.